Hi everybody, this is Oleg. Welcome to Oregon Preparedness. I was just taking an early walk here and I saw this little rabbit sitting here. And I thought, this is food. You know, there is lots of rabbits in Northwest. They're everywhere. Portland is full of them. Surrounding area of Seattle is full of them. They are everywhere in all the parks. And you know, this is not a lot of meat, but it is something. Imagine you kill one of these and you skin it, drop it in the boiling water, put a couple of potatoes, couple of onions, and there you go, there's soup. And let's see where there it is. And that rabbit, that was just one example of food that runs around you. Of course, if you're in the woods, there is a lot more variety of food that you can hunt and you can get. But in the city, this is just one example. Another example is squirrels. Squirrels, a lot of people are not aware of it, but they're edible. You can eat squirrels. You can, they don't really eat any garbage. All they eat all day long is nuts. So they're I haven't personally tried squirrel, but I heard from people that they're pretty good eating. And another example of food that surrounds you in the city is those Canadian geese. I've seen them in many different states, not just Northwest. And those Canadian geese, they're pretty hefty birds, I bet if you kill one of those, you would be able to feed your entire family and then some. And so there are many different options in the city. I heard beavers are edible. Correct me if I'm wrong, let me know in the comments, but I heard beavers are also edible. And so these are a few examples of things that you can get and put on your table when you're in the city. How do you get all these things? You can't catch them with your bare hands. If you have a slingshot, that won't help either. What you need is small 22 long rifle cartridge. And so what you should do is go ahead and buy some little rifle made by Ruger that is .22 caliber. All these animals you can get with that rifle, and number one, that's all you need to get them. Number two, that rifle is not very loud, and you can make it even quieter. If you just put on the muzzle 2-liter Coke bottle, it'll act as a suppressor, as a silencer. So you want to be totally quiet, you can. So get that rifle, and they're not expensive. You can get basic one for a couple $100. Nicer ones go for $300-400, depends. You can get a handgun chambered in .22 long rifle, and those handguns, some of them you can get with a long barrel. They're made for target shooting. they're pretty accurate and they're smaller than a rifle. I would still get a rifle because you get a lot better accuracy at farther distances. So don't waste time, because when food runs out, people will be doing what they can to provide, and few of these animals that I just mentioned, they will provide a small meal, and some of them not very small meal, to you and your family. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next upload. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and ring that notification bell, and thumbs up this video. If you find it useful, please share it. Bye bye.